Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed a video in Canva. Adding videos to your Canva projects is a great way to make presentations, social media posts, portfolios, and marketing content more interactive and engaging. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to insert a video link into Canva, customize it inside your design, and make sure everything looks polished and professional. Let's get started. First, open Canva and navigate to the design where you want to add your video. If you're starting from scratch, simply create a new design. This could be a presentation, YouTube thumbnail, social media graphic, website design, or any other Canva project. Once your design is open, look toward the left-hand toolbar. Canva provides different tools and apps there for adding content to your project. Now, depending on your Canva version, you may need to click the More option or the Apps section to access additional features. Inside that menu, look for the option called Embed. The Embed feature allows you to insert content from external websites directly into your Canva design using a link. Go ahead and click on it. Next, copy the URL of the video you want to embed. This could be a video from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported video platform. Once you've copied the video link, return to Canva and paste the URL into the Embed field. After pasting the link, click the Add to Design button or the similar confirmation button Canva shows. Canva will now process the link and generate the embedded video element inside your project. This can sometimes take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't appear immediately. Once the video appears on your canvas, you can resize and reposition it just like any other Canva element. Simply drag the corners to make the video larger or smaller and move it around until it fits nicely within your design layout. A useful tip here is to leave enough spacing around the video so your design doesn't feel crowded. Clean layouts usually look much more professional and easier to view. You should also preview your design before exporting or sharing it. Make sure the video displays correctly and fits naturally with the rest of your content. If something feels off, you can always adjust the size, alignment, or placement. Another important thing to know is that embedded videos work best in digital formats like presentations, websites, or shared Canva links. If you download your project as a static image, the video obviously won't remain playable. For presentations or interactive content, exporting as MP4 or sharing the Canva project link usually works best. Embedding videos can really improve audience engagement because people are naturally drawn to motion and visual content. Whether you're creating educational slides, promotional graphics, tutorials, or business presentations, videos can help communicate information much more effectively. So, to quickly recap, to embed a video in Canva, open your design, go to the More or Apps section, select Embed, paste your video URL, and add it to your project. From there, you can resize, reposition, and preview the video to make sure it fits perfectly into your design. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.